Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the ViaMichelin application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you are at your home page, which is the map itself. You can plan your route by clicking on this where to bar at the top of the screen. As you tap on it, you will be able to type in your destination. So here you can see it on the map. As you click on the route button down below, you can also set your current location, so your departure point and then your destination. So here you can select your vehicle, you can add it to your account, including the brand type and the fuel type of your car. And here you can add route options, so you can set your preferences, then click on the confirm button and you will be able to personalize your route. As you click on the menu icon, you will be able to add settings such as alerts, speed alert, and you can also enable or disable the voice guidance while using the GPS feature. And as you go back to your home page, you also have the chance to search for petrol stations, hotels, nearby restaurants, attractions, and so on. So as you tap on one of these options, you will be able to see the recommendations down below. And you can also click on the route button to plan your route there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.